Python different modules. So let us discuss on it. A Python module is simply a Python source file which can expose classes, functions and global variables. And when imported from another Python source file, the file name is treated as a namespace. So a Python package is simply a directory of Python modules. So many modules are defined, so many libraries are defined in Python. So that's why this Python is so powerful. That means they are nothing but, these modules are nothing but pre-written Python source codes. We can import them in our current module as when required to use those functions, classes as when required, so that I need not to rewrite the code once again. So this module importing is actually enhancing the property known as reusability of the programming code. As example, we can go for say import numpy. Also we can use some alias, that is import numpy as np. So next time whenever we are supposed to access any component from this numpy, so you can go for this numpy dot or you can go for this np dot. In this way we can also access it. So let us go for one practical demonstration for the easier understanding of this, how to import the different modules in our Python coding. We can import our module according to our requirement, and also at the same time we can rename it. That means we can create the alias of the imported module. So here import math module as m. So next time if I want to use this math name as a module name, here instead of that we'll be using m dot. So print the value of pi is m dot pi. Because we have done the renaming of it, we have done the alias of this math as m. So m dot pi will print the respective pi value. Now use of from math import pi. So that is another way to import this pi here. So from math import pi. So in this case there is no need to write math dot pi. Here you can use directly this pi here in our respective print statement. So if I execute the code, we are getting the output like this one. Next one is import all names from the standard module math. In that case we can go for from math import start. So all the names from the standard module math will get imported, and later you can use this pi for the printing, that is the value of pi is pi here. So in this way, in this particular demonstration we have shown you that how to import modules and how to use from and how to use this renaming operation while importing our modules. Thanks for watching this video.